Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrew, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little bracelet using these fabulous things that I got from BB Craft. I'll link the website below. I did a video previously just showing the unboxing of what I got. These items were gifted to me, but I do a bit of jewellery making now and again, so it was nice to have that opportunity to get some stash for free, really, in exchange for a honest review. So these things, the leather and the beads and the clasp all came from a little leather bracelet making kit, which has enough to make tons of bracelets in all sorts of different colours. I'm going to make this one today, and these other pieces, the bead board and the snips and the flat nose pliers, they came from another kit from BB Craft, which is like a beginner's toolkit. So I'll link those below if you're interested in those. Right, so what I'm going to start by doing is, usually bracelets are about 7 inches long. We've got the clasp to add to that, so I think I'm probably going to go with a little bit shorter, and we'll do it sort of there. And I need 3 pieces of this the same length because I'm going to plait it. So I'll use my little snips. You can use scissors if you want, and there we go, all the same size. Now the excess can wait for another day. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plait this, so I'm just going to twist it together, getting it ready for the plait, and I'm going to add, from the very beginning, I'm going to pop this into the clasp so that it holds it all together for me. So if you can see, these come pre-made, and they've got a little safety chain and they've got 2 sort of open ends. Okay, so you put that around your leather bands, so they're all inside nicely, and then you'll use your blunt nose pliers and you will just squeeze that really tight. I'm going to cut mine from both ends. It's a little bit awkward because I wouldn't normally be working in this position. And really squeeze that tight so that it's really clamped on to your leather. Okay, you don't want to squeeze it so tight that it goes out of shape and it looks horrendous. If it does bend a little bit, just get hold of it with your pliers and just straighten it out a little bit. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plait this piece. Okay, so I'm just going to lay my pliers on there, and I'm just going to plait. So I'm just going to do one piece over another. Okay, so I'm going to take this piece and pop it over there, and that piece and pop it over there, and then that piece and pop it over there. Just keep on going. And then what we're going to do is, when we get to the end, we're just going to keep these pieces straight, use the snips and just snip them off, and then get the other end. Make sure you don't twist it. Get the other end and get that ready to put on. Make sure that it will go on like that. But before we do that, we're going to thread there is a little bit of give in that. So before we do that, we're going to thread on our little hearts. So just pass them through. They should come through. Pass them through your little plaited piece and slide them along. So you sort of want them, you can have them all sort of together, or you can have them at intervals. Okay, so I want it all to be nice and tidy so that it all fits in. I don't want to twist it.
So here's my finished bracelet. Look how beautiful that is.
Okay, so I'm going to show you another one. I'll do some earrings next time. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.